Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial video I will be showing you how to create your website using Canva. Okay, so first, to know about the idea, what theme, what concept, I suggest you to go to Goodbrief. Okay, and I have got this document from goodbrief.io. They will do nothing, they will just give a design brief. Like, they will provide the company name, company description, description, and deadline is in 4 days. All right, and you can use it as your portfolio. So as you can see, I'm in my Canva right now, and I will go here and I'm gonna type website. You can go with the templates also, or if you want, you can create a blank template also. There you go. You can click here and it says create a blank. So you can click here and you can go, or you can type here and choose the templates. Alright, it's totally up to you. Well, I have opened my design window already. I have choose the pre-made template. What we will do, we will just customize it, okay? And I suggest you before designing your website, I prefer and I suggest you to make a storyboard about the website so you don't get confused in the middle, alright? And so it's easy for you and your job can be done, okay? And this is actually a very good idea for a website designer, or who wants to become a website designer, or who is interested in in designing. You can go to goodbrief.io, and they will give you the concept. I will just show you a small demo here. So Goodbrief. Okay, this is the one. Good brief. Get unique design briefs. This is how the interface is. You can choose type, logo, brand identity, illustration, packaging, billboard, website, random, and you can choose the industry also, whatever you like. So example, I like food, and I'm gonna choose the type of packaging and generate example, and they will give you a design brief. There you go. Okay, and if you want, you can export. You can click here export, so you don't forget, because whenever you go to the Goodbrief website again, the design brief keeps changing. So I suggest you to export it. All right, you can export as image or PDF. I suggest you to export as PDF so it's easy for you. Okay, and I hope Goodbrief is valuable for you and it will help you in your designing skills. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so first I'm gonna take a shape, square shape, and I'm gonna choose the color around brown. Yep, and scale it big, scale it white. Alright, and I'm gonna take a line here. I'm gonna just increase the weight of the line. There you go. And actually, I'm not liking this color. Let me choose bright one. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so we are having a different section. So first, I will go add another line shape and increase the line weight. Okay, and make the line into vertical. I'll just put the line into 90 degrees, okay, and hold shift and arrange it, okay. So we will be having a different section here, okay, and I'll just be back. Let me just arrange this and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my text and I'm gonna choose this title, okay, and I'm gonna ungroup it. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm fine with the font. I'm just gonna change the color, okay, and I'm gonna type landing page and make the text small and make it bold. So you have to always keep playing with the lines, with the font, to get a perfect result. Okay, so you can see the difference here. The size of this font is 32 and here it's 27. Well, I'll just make it same. Alright, and let me just choose 24. Oh, that's too small. I think 29 or 27 will be fine. Okay, let me just choose exactly 27. Okay, there you go, and adjust the font. Put the line a little bit here, and again readjust the font. Okay, there you go. So I guess the font is a bit small. It's small, and the box also is small, but we have to readjust again and again to get the perfect result. Okay, so I hope you get the idea, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm done. I've prepared already. I have just changed the font. Okay, and I've added so much of section: landing page, information, product page, enrollment, cancellation, and rescheduling page, contact us, and in on top is the company name. Alright, so this is what I want actually, and this is what I have, the way how I design. Okay, so now let's add one more shape. Okay, and I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna change the color to, and this is fine. Okay, and gonna go to my notepads. Copy and go to text. I'm gonna add a subheading and paste. Now I'm gonna change the font, and I'm gonna change the font size also so it gets fit. Okay, and I'm gonna change the color to white. There you go. And if you want, you can put the enable the bold. Okay, alright, so far this is my idea. Okay, and now I'm gonna add few frames here. Okay, somehow like this. Okay, so this is my first page. Okay, so I just try to keep simple. Okay, and let's continue. Okay, so this is our first page, and let's go to our second page. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this thing. Okay, and I'm gonna add a heading